Hello students, today our topic is increasing and decreasing functions. Let f is a real valued function defined in an interval d, then f is increasing function in an interval d1 for all x1, x2 belongs to d1 and x1 less than x2 implies fx1 less than equal to fx2, and f is called strictly increasing function if for all x1 less than x2 implies fx1 less than fx2, and f is called decreasing function in an interval d2 if for all x1, x2 belongs to d2 and x1 less than x2 implies fx1 greater than equal to fx2, and f is called strictly decreasing function in d2 if for all x1, x2 belongs to d2, x1 less than x2 implies fx1 greater than fx2. Monotonic function. A function which is either increasing or decreasing is called monotonic function. Now we discuss use of derivatives to determine a function increasing or decreasing. A function f is increasing on interval ab if f dash x greater than equal to 0 for all x belongs to open interval ab, and strictly increasing if f dash x greater than 0 for all x belongs to open interval ab. A function f is decreasing in open interval if f dash x less than equal to 0 for all x belongs to open interval ab, and f is strictly decreasing if f dash x less than 0 for all x belongs to open interval ab. Now, if we conclude a function is increasing when its rate of change is positive and decreasing when its rate of change is negative. Let us discuss questions. Question number 1. Prove that e raised to power 2x is strictly increasing on R. Here, fx equal to e raised to power 2x and domain of function equal to R. Differentiating with respect to x, f dash x equal to 2 into e raised to power 2x and 2 into e raised to power 2x greater than 0. Therefore, fx is strictly increasing function. Question number 2. Show that y equal to log 1 plus x minus 2x over 2 plus x, where x greater than minus 1 is an increasing function of x throughout its domain. Here, fx equal to log 1 plus x minus 2x upon 2 plus x, and x greater than minus 1. So, domain of f is minus 1 to infinity. Now, f dash x equal to 1 upon 1 plus x minus 2 plus x into 2 minus 2x into 1 upon 2 plus x whole square, and this equal to 1 upon 1 plus x minus 4 upon 2 plus x whole square, and this equal to 2 plus x whole square minus 4 minus 4x upon 1 plus x into 2 plus x whole square. Simplifying this, we get f dash x equal to x square upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. Here, f dash x greater than 0 for all x greater than minus 1. Therefore, fx is an increasing function of x throughout its domain. Question number 3. Find the least value of a so that the function f of x equal to x square plus ax plus 1 is strictly increasing in open interval 1, 2. Here, f of x equal to x square plus ax plus 1 and x belongs to open interval 1, 2. F dash x equal to 2x plus a, as x belongs to open interval 1 to, therefore x lies between 1 and 2. Now 2 less than 2x less than 4, we need 2x plus a, so adding a on all the sides, 2 plus a less than 2x plus a less than 4 plus a, 2 plus a less than f dash x less than 4 plus a. As f dash x is strictly increasing, therefore f dash x greater than 0, 2 plus a greater than 0, a greater than minus 2. Question number 4. Show that fx equal to sin x is strictly increasing in interval 0 to pi by 2. B part, strictly decreasing in interval pi by 2 is to pi, and C part, neither increasing nor decreasing in interval 0 to pi. Here f of x equal to sin x, f dash x equal to cos x. When x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, f dash x greater than 0, as cos x is positive in first quadrant. Therefore, fx is strictly increasing in interval 0 to pi by 2. B part, as x belongs to pi by 2 is to pi, f dash x less than 0, because cos x is negative in second quadrant. Therefore, fx is strictly decreasing in interval pi by 2 is to pi. Now C part, as x belongs to 0 to pi, f dash x may be greater than 0 or may be less than 0. So in interval 0 to pi, f of x is neither increasing nor decreasing. So this is all about increasing and decreasing functions. I hope you understand all this, and your home assignment is do questions of exercise 6.2. Thank you.